Hello there guys, James here. Today I'll be sharing with you my usage experience of Baikal OS 11.1. The build date is 18/2021 and as of filming this video, there is actually a newer version out there which I couldn't try, which will obviously have more fixes. And guys, please note that this is a developer version, this is not a full-fledged version of the ROM. Lots of bugs are to be expected. There are a lot of bugs which I will talk about in this video, but this is an exceptionally good ROM. I will tell you guys the reason why this ROM is a must try. This ROM should be much more popular than it is now. So let's start off with the first question about safety net. Yes, safety net does pass with and without root, and even if safety net doesn't pass with root, if you go into the Baikal OS extras and go to app profiles, and you can see there are a lot of per app options here, which is also a good thing. But the important thing is if you are facing safety net issues, you can force this option here, force software attestation, and it will pass safety net. I did face an issue with the banking app, and enabling this option did fix that. So yeah, safety net is of no concern in this ROM. Also guys, please note that I am using this ROM with stock NIC apps. So the next good thing is the highly customizable launcher. You will see that if I go into home settings, there are a lot of customization options here. Lots and lots of customization, which is rarely seen. The next thing is the customization of the whole ROM itself. You will see, if I go into settings, you will see Baikal OS and AICP extras. So there are two extras, and you can see that there are a lot of tweaks in every single section of this. And yeah, this is just so much options. It's actually too much tweaks, and you can have all the fun you want customizing this ROM. So if you're a customization type of person, this ROM is definitely a must try. Like there are a ton of options that even I am not able to get into because there are too many options right here. And you can also see that you can enable wiper effects right from the system itself. You can see that there is performance and thermal profiles for individual app. It's very useful for gaming. And yeah, you can even spoof device models per app, which is great. I have used it in BGMI and it does unlock 90 FPS, which is of no use in a 60Hz phone. So yeah, I left it at that. So yes, customization is a major highlight of this ROM. The next good thing is battery life. I will put up the actual numbers on the screen right now. Close to 8 hours is what I got in maximum, and it has been improving every day. So yeah, this is a very battery friendly ROM. And depends on what you do. If you game, it will take a steep dive, but if you are using it casually, this is a very battery friendly ROM. Another good thing is gaming performance. Actually, gaming on this ROM is very nice. It's not perfect, it's very good. Like it's not like zero frame drops or anything. And the fact we have to recognize that the game itself, like most popular game I play, in fact the only game I play now is BGMI, also known as PUBG Mobile. Games are becoming heavier and it is becoming harder for the phone to run it normally like it used to when it came out. So yeah, that also contributes to the drop in gaming performance, but overall the gaming performance is actually very good. Now let's talk about the OK sections of this ROM. The first thing I have to say is, even though this ROM supports pulling down for the notification, even though the setting is there, it does not work currently. The next okay thing is that some transition animations are broken. You will see these flickers which needs to be ironed out. Now let's come to the bad section of this ROM. Here I only have one thing, that is sometimes the system UI crashes. It's not very frequent, it only crashes every once in a while, but yeah, it is there. So yeah, that has been it for my usage review of Baikal OS dev version. And like I said guys, as of filming this video, a new version has already come out which should have more improvements. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below guys, and see you guys in the next one.